we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
Hey guys, welcome to my apartment that I share with my boyfriend and best friend. This is our pretty wreath. Come on in. So this is the entryway. Simple. Okay, is where we keep our shoes and stuff. Okay, and this is the living room. This is our couch, which I love. I love the colors, blue, gold with black, hints of black and white. And then I got these picture frames that I put some really cute pictures of all of us in it. The other side of the living room. And then our TV area. I still need to put something up on this shelf. And also the wall with the picture frames. I still have to add a few more things.
Why don't you show them the fireplace?
Yes, and then that lights up. I love it, so beautiful. And it actually heats up like an actual fireplace. Turn that, I'll leave it on for now. Okay, and then this is our kitchen. So this is our kitchen. Cute little table, I love the chairs. And the candles are really cute. Oh, and look what we just recently bought. So cute, little dinosaur salt thing. Anyways, this is the kitchen. Let me turn it on. This is my coffee bar. This is my coffee bar and it has a few alcohol things up here, like wine and alcohol. This is my Keurig. And little stuff I organize. I love this plant, by the way. Cute. Okay, this is the kitchen. Also, I want to show you this cute piece that I bought. I love it. It's so pretty. It has oatmeal. It has a lot of storage space inside of it. Whole kitchen. I'll come show them the fridge. Get it back up. Okay, and if you'll follow me this way, is the balcony. I put lights on it, so it's really nice at night. And this cute little table with decorations with nice decor pieces on it. So it's really nice at night. Okay, and now this part of the house. Laundry room. I kind of wanted to get like a curtain to put up here so that we can kind of cover it, but it's fine. And then I love the decor piece that I put on the wall. Really, really cute. And then this is our bathroom. So just closet storage space, and then this is our room. Really pretty, I like it a lot. Okay, so this is our room. TV stand, but yeah.
Cuties.
Oh, also this container is not going to stay here forever. My boyfriend needs to get rid of it soon and just find a place for it. And this is my desk area. I decorated it. It's a little bit cluttered right now though. Pretty painting that I made myself. I DIY'd it. So I really like that piece. So this is my printer and storage area, and then some random stuff up there on the wall. My calendar. So this is my IKEA closet that I love so much. I think it's so cute. It's all the storage and stuff. And then more storage here, some blankets in there. Some of my boyfriend's things are in there. And then over here is his closet, which we are not going to show because it's a little messy right now and I just don't want to show it. Okay, so that's pretty much the whole house. Also want to mention about this couch, it does turn into a bed, like a pull-up bed. Okay, so that was my apartment tour. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.